Good morning. Today, as per the next bullet of the syllabus, we will be going to study about natural join and equijoin. Okay, and means more parts of joins are there. The types of joins were discussed in the earlier video, and today I will be discussing as per the bullet I am going in the syllabus. And in the bullet, these two joins are emphasis is given on these two joins. Okay. Natural join or equijoin. So what is a natural join? Natural join is such a join that creates an implicit join on the common columns of the database table. Okay? That creates natural join creates an implicit join on the common column of the database tables. So this definition you may find to be a bit complex, समझ में नहीं भी आ सकता है. That's why with example I explain. So this is the definition of natural join. What does a natural join do? This join creates an implicit join, as I told you just now. Natural join creates an implicit join based on the common columns in the two tables being joined. Creates an implicit join based on the common columns of the database tables. वो भी बोल सकते हैं, और नहीं तो two tables being joined. This is the formal definition of natural join. And what is the syntax of natural join? This is the syntax of natural join. Select start from table 1. Natural join select को ब्लॉक में लिखना है, कैपिटल में लिखना है, और natural join इसे भी कैपिटल में लिखना है from table 2. Okay. So I will explain now how this works, how this syntax will work. Okay. So I am rubbing it out and I am explaining with example. Okay. If required, you can pause it and you can note it down. अलग से मिलेगा, notes मिलेगा अलग से PDF. All right. Now I will be explaining with proper example. So before explaining this with this example, one more thing, that symbol of natural join is this. So if you find this symbol, this should strike in your mind that they are talking about natural join. The question paper is speaking about natural join. This symbol represents natural join. All right. Now two tables are there in the database. All right. The names of the tables are courses and department. DEPT department. Courses and name courses and department बोल के दो टेबल हैं in the database. There are 3 columns in the relation courses, CID, course name and department name, and there are 2 columns in the table department name and HOD, head of the department कौन है, 01, 02, 03. These are the values someone has inserted. Okay. Database course name and database mechanics electrical, and this is the department name under which department this course comes, computer science, mechanical engineering, electrical engineering. All right. और डिपार्टमेंट टेबल में क्या है, CS कंप्यूटर साइंस डिपार्टमेंट का HOD कौन है, मैडम सीता, प्रोफेसर सीता. मैकेनिकल इंजीनियरिंग का डिपार्टमेंट का हेड है प्रोफेसर एनी. इलेक्ट्रिकल इंजीनियरिंग का बलबीर सर. Now if we want to perform natural join on these two tables, then it will look like this. Courses, एक table, natural join symbol, and second table on which the natural join is performed is department. Then what it will do? It will search the common name, common column name. What it will do? What natural join will do? Natural join will search the common column name. Common column name है क्या? दोनों टेबल में है. Department name is the common. This column is common in both the tables. So ये वाला कॉलम पहले आ जाएगा डिपार्टमेंट नेम, उसके बाद दूसरा कुछ तो कॉमन नहीं है, तब जाके इससे शुरू करेगा. इसका पहला CID ले लेगा, दूसरा कोर्स नेम ले लेगा, डिपार्टमेंट नेम तो ऑलरेडी ले चुका है, इससे भी डिपार्टमेंट नेम आ चुका है ऑलरेडी, तो बचा के HOD. तो स्टार्ट जस्ट इसके पहले, ये लिखने के पहले रिवाइंड एंड सी, मैंने क्या लिखा था, सिलेक्ट स्टार फ्रॉम टेबल 1 नेचुरल जॉइन टेबल 2. स्टार मतलब व्हाट, एवरीथिंग विल बी सिलेक्टेड. So everything is selected here and it is displayed here. Okay, this is how natural join works. I hope you have understood. So now I will be explaining what is equijoin. Next comes equijoin. So this is the definition of equijoin. What this join do? This performs a join against equality or matching column values of associated tables. So join operation will take place on two database tables, associated tables plural, two database tables. So what it will do? It will perform the join against equality or matching condition. That mean condition में equality part था, inner join example में भी मैंने दिखाया था. Okay, so this is the equality part. Condition part where equality is checked by this one. That means select start from PD and customer. प्रोडक्ट एक डेटाबेस टेबल है जिसका नेम है PD और दूसरा डेटाबेस टेबल है जिसका नेम है कस्टमर. सो व्हाट वी आर डूइंग, what equijoin is doing, equijoin is selecting all the records, all the rows from the two tables, product as well as customer, depending upon what? Depending upon this condition, the fulfillment of this condition, equality condition, fulfillment of this equality condition. Okay, that means where ये वाला टेबल का कॉलम नेम है प्लेस आईडी, चलिए शुड बी इक्वल टू कस्टमर टेबल का लोकेशन आईडी. जो वैल्यूज मैच होगा, PID is a column in the table product PD, location ID is a column in the table customer. PID is a column in the table PD, location ID is a table in the column in the table customer. ठीक है, column name but table name PID column in the table PD, location ID is the name of the column in the table customer. So records मगर मैच करेगा वही दिखलाएगा, उसी को डिस्प्ले होगा. ऑलराइट, so this is the syntax. So there are some advantages also and drawbacks also. So this equijoin can only perform and can only check the equality condition. Alright, it cannot check the greater than condition or less than condition. Salary greater than 10,000 ऐसा भी तो चेक किया जा सकता है. क्लॉज कंडीशन क्लॉज should be like that also. Okay, or product more than 5, more than, less than, greater than, all this cannot be checked by the equijoin. Only equality condition can be checked. This is the drawback. And there is also difference with the previous one, that natural join के साथ how equijoin is different from natural join. What natural join do? Natural join can perform on the common column name of the two tables, common column names of the two tables. Okay, but in equijoin we don't want such things. There should be no common column names in both the tables. Then also this equijoin will function. Alright, and in natural join no condition checking was there, condition part नहीं था, यहाँ पे condition part है. Alright, these are the main differences और these are the advantages and disadvantages. इसी को मैनिपुलेट करके you can make it either एक का एडवांटेज होगा, दूसरा का डिसएडवांटेज, दूसरा का डिसएडवांटेज हो गया, पहला का एडवांटेज, लाइक दैट. ऑलराइट, सो आई होप both equijoin and natural join is clear. Thank you for watching.